Here in this lecture I will show you how to change the chart types. So by selecting this chart you can, so after selecting it you can see that you have realized that oh no, this chart is not serving my purposes. I need to change this chart for a better visualization, for better decision making, for better presentation. So here you can change the chart types. So from clicking here in this button you can change the different chart types like line charts, pie charts, hierarchy, statistical, XY, waterfall, combo, and many more ways. So I'm changing this column chart to line chart, so I'm selecting this one. So by clicking here, within a very fraction of seconds, this chart type has been changed to a line chart. So this is amazing to work with Excel. So in the next lecture we'll learn another tips from creating charts.